Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the 2019 Montauk. It's Whaler's new design, and let's start from the front. You can see the lines on it are absolutely beautiful. It is included with the galvanized trailer, dual axle with the swing tongue in the front. So a good sized garage, it can fit inside the garage. And as we move down, you can see the lines on the new design are absolutely beautiful on it. You've got the black rub rail on here, heavy duty rub rail. You've got the T-top up top, which is fantastic for fishing, with the rod holders and everything in the back. And as we move around to the back of the boat, we've got the ladder that can be deployed from inside the water. So if you're in the water and you need to pull it down, it can be flipped down easily. It does have a handrail to get onto it. And it's also powered by the Mercury 4-stroke 150. The 150 on this boat is plenty of horsepower. This thing will pop up on a plane in a matter of about 3 seconds, and your top end is going to be somewhere close to between the high 40s, close to 50 miles an hour. So, ton of power for it. The engine's fantastic. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 19 Montauk, and let's start at the back of the boat. You've got seats that are set in place right now, so if you're out just cruising around or going for lunch or to the beach, that type of thing, you've got very comfortable seats. If you also have storage under the seats here as well, and non-skid if you're fishing. And so, but if you're not using the seats, you can pull them out, and now it's platforms and everything else to fish. So it does the fishing and the going out for a ride very, very well. We'll pop that back in. Live well. If you're out fishing for the day, very large live well. Plenty of room for all your bait that you're going to need to get you through the day. Conveniently located right in the back. And when you're fishing, you can fish right off the back of the boat here because the leaning post goes this way. If you're driving the boat, all you got to do, lift it back. Now you got a nice two-person comfortable seat this way. You got plenty of room up here to do any kind of a GPS that you want, fish finder, any of that. So you got a ton of room up here. Traditional Whaler steering wheel, Fusion stereo. Got a nice convenient place to keep some of your tackle right in here. So you got 2 tackle boxes out of the way, convenient. And as we move to the bow of the boat, you've got a 2-person seat up here, and it also is on top of a cooler. So it doubles as a real comfortable seat. Also keeps all your beverages clean. Anchor locker underneath, and large sun pad here. So if you're out for the day, you're just nice and comfy up here. But if you are fishing, you can take the cushions up, and it's all non-skid. So you got plenty of non-skid up here, plenty of room for fishing. You've got the low-profile rub rails. It's just a fantastic boat for going into the backwater. You got a shallow draft under a foot. But if you do want to take it out into the Gulf, you know you're in a whaler, you know you're in a safe boat, it's still going to handle that well also. So any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.